Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. March the 6th, 2025. A good day for Asian markets. Expectations of another Fed interest rate cut along with positive outcome of IMF talks pushed the KSE-100 Index up 1459 points, 1.3%. Elsewhere, all major markets ended the day in green except Australia over optimism that trade tensions would ease after President Trump exempted automakers from tariffs for 1 month on Mexico and Canada. If you take a look at the daily chart, just as we expected, the February 24th low provided very strong support to the KSE100 index, pushing it up once again above the 20-day EMA exponential moving average, as it has done repeatedly while the market whipsawed over the past few weeks. Now, interestingly, it has found resistance at the lower band of the up channel that's been in place since February. Yet, with volume and all forms of volatility indicators, including Donchian channels, Bollinger Bands, and ATR dropping, there's little for the market to do but continue to whipsaw along a tight range. The next triggers, as we just said, being the interest rate announcement and the IMF talks. Till then, we'll be keeping a very close watch on the market, so stay tuned. Thank you.